Yo. So
What's
we're
up?
so this is my sister Jaylyn and my ride or die Norika. And we look hella ratchet right now. We the ratchets of Don't Save State.
Yeah.
And we are going to be doing the Chubby Bunny with our Cupid Mellows.
Because we got Valentine.
We got our bag for when we spit shit out. We got our tissues or drool. And then we have our marshmallows. We just put them in half.
Because they were kind of...
So, you guys all set? So who's going first?
Can I go? Okay.
Okay, Jay's going first. So, 1, take yours, and stuff it in your mouth. And you can't eat it. Now say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Norika. Chubby Bunny. Alright. 2 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Three Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. 4 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. 5 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. 6 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. 7 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. 8 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. 9 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. 10 Chubby Bunny.
Bunny. Stop laughing.
11 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Ah. She's done. Ready, Norika?
12 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
13 Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
14 Chubby Bunny. I don't understand what you're saying, love.
Chubby Bunny.
She's the winner.
Jay is the winner of the Chubby Bunny Challenge. Just stick it in the
I want to eat
bag.
it.
Ew.
I bought it, babe. I bought it.
Norika's going to eat her disgusting mushed up ones, and these are hers. But Jaylyn is the winner, and she is eating hers as well. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, you want the bag? Say bye.
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 Peace on the flip side.